Guys, Tim from Olsen Motorsports. Today we have a 2014 911 Turbo S, gray car, and this one is in, you can see it's got some compound here, and then it's just got a lot of road dust and grime, and this thing's going to turn out absolutely spectacular. So we'll do a little bit of footage of us dry ice blasting, and then we'll come back with the finished product. So that's a wrap. This one's fully dry ice blasted in the engine. Head on over to olsenmotorsports.net or send us a message on Instagram. We'll get you on the schedule. Thanks for watching.